Okay, so today I wanted to talk about how we use email and SMS marketing to plan new product launches for e-commerce brands inside of Klaviyo. So it's going to be a quick guide and basically going to reveal the structure we use to help build hype, to help build anticipation, and to really just maximize the most amount of sales as possible from new product launches. So we've had really good results using this structure here. So I'm going to just share it with you and let me know if you like it. Let me know if you know how it goes. I'd be more than happy for you to apply it for yourself. Anyways, we'll jump right in. So firstly, we'll just run through the exact structure and what it consists of, and then we'll go in depth on each email itself. So we like to have 2 product teaser campaigns here, and then we like to have an SMS the night before the release. Then the third campaign is a product launch for VIPs. The second SMS is on the day of the release. Fourth email campaign is a launch for the entire list. And then the 5th campaign is a plain text reminder from the founder. Let's jump and go into depth in each single campaign now. Campaign number 1 is the new product teaser. And when we want to send this, well, we want to send it 5 to 14 days prior to the release. The reason why, we want to give them a heads up in advance that there's a new product on the way. And it's going to help build that anticipation and really build that hype. A big problem we see with brands that when they are launching a product, they fail to do this. They fail to build the hype and the suspense of the product. Therefore, the actual release is very underwhelming. So this 2-step email here is going to be really useful for that. And firstly, we like to blur out the product image. We like to add a question mark. This, creates that suspense. People want to know what's behind it. So, they're going to be intrigued. And then also here, what we're doing is we're just letting them know that, we've been working hard on a brand new product and we can't wait to share it. And, not giving them too much information. We're just drip feeding them here. We're, just letting them know that there's a product on the way and they should keep their eye out for more information. Let's move on to campaign number 2, and this one's a little bit different, and here again we are teasing them, but this time we're adding a release date, as you can see, launching June 1st, and we're also giving them a little bit more information specifically about the product. The type of information you just want to give brief intro into what the product is, maybe why it's on the market or why you've created it, and the benefits of it as well. So short and sharp there. Again, just one small paragraph, nothing too much. Like, we don't want to give them the price or the name of the product just yet. And when we want to send this, well, we want to send this out 2 to 5 days from the release. So these 2 emails are doing the job of building the suspense and the hype. Again, we have blurred the image, but we reduce the blurring again from the first image just to give them a little bit more information of what the product might look like. All right, so let's move to the SMS, and this is going to be sent the night before the release. So ideally between 6 to 8 p.m. the night before the release. And what it's going to say is our new product is dropping tomorrow at 7 a.m. on our website, or whenever the product is being dropped. We're tipping it's going to be a big hit, so make sure you're ready to order so you don't miss out. Good luck, website link. Short and sharp, nice and simple. Just get people on their toes ready for the product release the next day. All right, campaign 3 is the product launch, and we're going to do this for VIPs first. So in this situation, this product was available for pre-order, which was really handy because we could, leverage pre-order price available for the first 300 orders only. So if you are doing a pre-order, definitely recommend, putting in the amount of orders that are available. That's going to help build the urgency and the scarcity within the release. So here we have the header, so just nature calls we answered. The product is called nature calls, so that works nice. And just, letting them know that as a value VIP, they get a little head start from the rest of our subscribers. So we want to send this, 2 to 3 hours prior to sending it to the main list. Again, just to give our VIPs a head start. If you don't have a VIP segment set up, highly recommend getting that set up. All you need to do is create a segment with people who've purchased 3 or more times, or whatever criteria you suit, or people who've placed an order value over X amount. So that can be determined on your end, what you seem to deem fit as a VIP. Anyways, if you do have that set up, this is what this email will look like. Just giving them information about the product, all natural solution, pre-order now. Again, selling that click, get them onto the website, which will do the rest. At the same time, if your VIPs are considered SMS subscribers as well, you want to send this campaign at the same time as this one. So the day of the release, Product is now available on our website, limited stock available, go, 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 link to the product. So again, very short and sharp, just, plain and simple here. Not much to say about that, just linking the product, getting them to sell the click and get on the website. And then campaign 4, launch for the entire list. So again, this is going to be very similar to this campaign here, except we just remove the VIP language here. So because it's dedicated to the entire list, very simple here. And then again, this is going to be sent a couple of hours after the VIP release. Campaign 5, the last campaign, this is to the all subscribers, and it's just a plain text reminder from the founder. You want to send this a couple days after the initial release. And again, it's just a friendly reminder of the new product release. If you do have pre-order, you want to mention that there's only 24 hours left to pre-order. And if there's a discount attached to that, you want to mention the discount as well. If you don't have pre-order and you don't have a discount, that's all right. You can still send this plain text email reminder, but you just want to word it differently, letting them know that the product's still there. And it's just a gentle reminder. And again, we're giving a little bit more information from the founder themselves. So it adds that bit of, expert advice. All right, so that is the 5 campaigns here and the structure we use. Now, if you're wondering, what does the next 1 to 4 weeks look like with email campaigns onward? And typically we want to include the new product in future campaigns for the next 1 to 4 weeks or however long you wish. And what it would look like is, just take a section from the product release and just add this section to, every single campaign you send. Obviously, you can tailor it to fit the campaign design a little bit better, and maybe the header can be changed to, have you seen this new product? Our new product is now in stock, whatever it is. That's going to help remind customers, remind your subscribers of this new product release. So in case they miss these emails, in case they didn't get a chance to see, or in case they forget, really good way to do that is to include that section in all the remaining emails. All right, so that is the entire product launch. Now, if you were an e-com brand looking for some help, maybe getting this set up for your brand, feel free to book in a call with myself. We'll have a chat, see if it's a good fit, and then we'll go from there. We are offering free audits at this time, so if you were interested in a free audit as well, make sure to book in a call and we'll get something sorted out. Now, if you just were here for the content, thanks for watching. There's a bunch more videos on my Twitter. There's a bunch more videos on YouTube as well you can check out. Make sure you check them out and leave in a comment on any suggestions for future videos. Either way, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.